This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. IIAR 2026 FB Industrial Highlights R290 Chillers for Medium Temperature Refrigeration in High Ambient Climates by J.O. Haraldson, published May 6, 2026. Mexican commercial and industrial refrigeration equipment manufacturer FB Industrial is highlighting its propane chillers for medium temperature MT refrigeration applications, particularly in high ambient climates where CO2 systems can face performance challenges. Gildardo Yanez, manager of training and applications at FB Industrial, spoke with naturalrefrigerants.com about the company's work with propane at IIAR 2026, held March 15th to 18th in San Antonio, Texas. FB Industrial launched its EcoFlex line of indirect propane chillers in early 2025. The company also manufactures ammonia and CO2 industrial refrigeration systems. Everybody is presenting ammonia or CO2 solutions, Yanez said. Our proposal is to use R290 for MT applications and pair it with CO2 in a cascade system, combining efficient MT performance with highly efficient low-temperature LT freezing. Technology uptake. We are starting to see sales for R290 chillers in Latin America, Yanez said, who noted that end users in the region are willing to try new technologies as they work to comply with the phase out of HFCs mandated by the Kigali Amendment. In LATAM, self-contained refrigerators commonly use hydrocarbon refrigerants, while large industrial plants rely on ammonia or CO2. However, HFCs still dominate medium-sized commercial and industrial systems. FB Industrial's R290 chiller fills this gap, particularly in MT applications, Yanez said. Early R290 chiller adopters in LATAM include Mexico and Colombia, while Brazil has propane-based water loop systems in commercial applications, according to Yanez. Pilot projects in Colombia have shown the efficiency of propane in MT applications. We have R290 chillers with 5 kilograms of charge-meeting MT loads in stores and 25 horsepower equipment in cold storage warehouses with R290 charges up to 25 kilograms, said Edwin Dixon of the Colombian Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development during a presentation at Atmo Latam 2025. The event, hosted by Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, was held February 19th to 20th in Mexico City. Some deployments. Over the past year, FB Industrial has delivered roughly 10 R290 chiller projects, including standalone MT units and R290/CO2 cascade systems. Yanez provided details for 2 projects. A Mexican distribution center installed 2 R290 chillers. With a total charge of 60 kilograms of R290, the system provides 120 tons of refrigeration, 422 kilowatts of MT capacity. A meat processing plant in Mexico City installed a R290/CO2 cascade system with a total cooling capacity of 577,000 BTU, 48.1 TR/169 kilowatts, and an R290 charge of 40 kilograms. EcoFlex details. The design keeps the refrigerant outside the facility by using a circulating glycol/water mixture. The R290 line offers an 8 to 85 tons of refrigeration, 28 to 299 kilowatts. Capacity range for high-temperature applications up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, and a 5 to 50 tons of refrigeration, 17 to 176 kilowatts. Range for medium-temperature applications down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 12.2 degrees Celsius. Depending on the model, the R290 charge ranges from 4 to 17 kilograms in a single factory-installed circuit, with a 70 kilogram total maximum per unit. By using R290 for subcooling, we enable subcritical CO2 operation for LT applications, even in high-temperature conditions, Yanez explained. Quotable. With hydrocarbons, you don't have high pressures or the fear that the system will stop working because of high ambient heat, Yanez said. We need to inform engineers that R290 is a safe technology.